You guys, how long has it been? Here I am. It's literally been like 6 months. I think the last video I posted was in January, and I was just going through a lot. So, time had passed, and I graduated with my bachelor's in May, so I have that off my plate. And then just COVID just totally derailed my life like it did for all of us. And I stopped working out. I started eating anything I wanted. And I don't know about you guys, but my metabolism, just the way my body's set up, if I don't watch what I'm eating, I gain weight. Period. Like, there's no little variables in there. If I just don't watch what I'm eating, just like sandwiches and like Pringles and stuff like that, it's just all the way gets me fat. Oops, there's people. So yeah, so just eating whatever I want, I gain weight. So it's absolutely horrible. But the place where I work, we're doing like a weight loss challenge, and so it takes place from I think 1 July until the end of September. And I decided that I'm gonna do it, and they're giving away money as a prize, so that's another incentive. So here I am. We are about to go grocery shopping and get a whole bunch of keto essentials. CJ is doing keto with me too, so I came on base to hit up the American grocery store. Then we're gonna go off base and hit up the UK grocery store. So I get a lot of my produce and vegetables off base. I get a lot of keto essentials like macadamia nuts or like brats and hot dogs and sausage and stuff on base because they have like Hillshire Farms and all that like arena of packaged meats. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Sometimes it's like that feeling where you're just like, please, no.
I went grocery shopping on base and then I went off base, but literally we needed so much. It was just too much of a hassle to flip the camera out and film everything. But I'm going to link up here a few grocery haul videos. I'm just using the same approach that I did when I was really successful the first time before I was pregnant with Isaiah. So tonight for dinner, we're going to have ground beef with some cheddar cheese, some mixed peppers, some jalapenos, and a little bit of taco seasoning. And that should be it, maybe with some avocado and salsa. Really easy. Ground beef is one of my favorite things to have on keto because it has such a low amount of protein considering its fat content. So it really helps me with my macros. So let's just go ahead and start that. You guys, so it's Sunday and it's time for my first workout. Haven't worked out since March, I believe. And when I had a lot of success before with keto, I was using the Nike Training Club app and I was doing like a 8-week program. Well, it seems like they removed that feature and now like you have to schedule individual workouts, which is just kind of annoying and it just takes time. But I just went to their programs tab on the bottom, and Nike Training Club app is free, but I went to their programs tab on the bottom and they have all these premium workouts that are led by coaches. And I guess due to COVID, Nike decided to make all that free. So I chose a program, and I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can see, but it's basically the only beginner one that they have in these programs. So figured that I would start this because I like having a set scheduled 3 to 4 workouts per week and someone already telling me what to do. So there's just no excuses. It's more like set in stone, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and start this and we will see how it goes. So mid-workout my camera died, but wow, that was really tough. I haven't sweated that much in quite a while. Even when I was at the gym doing the Stairmaster and just working out there, I have not sweated as much as I did doing that beginner strength workout. So Nike Training Club app does not play. Like their intermediate is like you need to be super in shape. The beginner ones are already hard enough and they have intermediate and advanced. So after that, I went ahead and I heated up some Jimmy Dean sausage, and then I just threw in a couple of eggs and some hot sauce and cheese, and we had that at maybe 11. It is 2:19 now, and I am just prepping some jalapeno and cream cheese and bacon poppers, and this is going to be our afternoon snack. Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come on here to touch base. I'm actually finishing up editing this video right now, and today is the 2nd of July. So just wanted to give you like a real time update. I have been keto since last Sunday, so I think that was the 29th or the 30th of June. And so far I feel really good. So my plan for Saturday, the 4th of July, around the time this video will be coming out, is to just I'm gonna drink, which I've never really drank on keto before, and I know like a lot of people do, but I personally haven't. I was never like a big drinker, but now like just the world and my children, I now want to just relax with an alcoholic beverage, you know. So I think I'm gonna do like whiskey and diet ginger ale. I don't know. Saturday is gonna be an experiment because I've never really drank on keto, so I really have to do some my research and figure out a good drink. Or if you have any suggestions for keto, low carb drinks, please leave them below. I'd rather stick to like the actual strong alcohol instead of like a beer because beers just make me bloated. So that's the plan for 4th of July. I also think I am making buffalo chicken dip. So I will leave down below my recipe for buffalo chicken dip because it's just cream cheese, canned chicken, Frank's hot sauce, and cheddar cheese, and that's all keto. So you can use either celery to dip in that, or you can use pork rinds, and they're both excellent, so that's a really easy keto option. And then for the rest of the evening, I just plan on eating like brats and burgers with no buns and stuff like that. So yeah, things are going really well. I need to weigh myself, but depending on how Saturday goes, like if I get off track Saturday, I'll probably wait until the following weekend to weigh myself. But yeah, I just wanted to chat because I feel like I kind of rushed into this video and there's not a lot of portions of me talking. So yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys a quick like real life update so you can actually hear how I'm doing. Yeah, so far so good. I wanted to see if you guys also have any suggestions because I feel like when I make these keto videos, like you guys don't need to see 30 seconds of me making the same recipes that I make all the time or that I've done before. So please leave me suggestions on what you would like to see down below. And that's it. I am so happy to start uploading on here more consistently. You guys have been so nice to me because I've been doing this for like 3 years and I just cannot remain consistent. Like I've just had issues. So from August to October, I am free, and then I should be starting my master's degree in October. So this 3-month grace period should be pretty consistent uploads for me. So I hope you guys are doing great. Take care of yourself. There's just so much negativity and hard stuff out there to process, and it can really weigh a lot on us as individuals. So take the time for yourself. Remember things that are truly important, and everything's gonna be okay. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!